to get free throws in the third quarter. They shot a lot. Kaya tumagal tayo dun sa quarter na yun. So let's see.
Fourth quarter begins. 0-4 Arellano versus the 2-2 San Sebastian Stags, and the Stags are also looking to get back in the win column after 2 straight losses. The Chiefs are still looking for their breakthrough win. Ganda ng hanap, hindi talaga makapasok sa ilalim.
Ayaw nila box outin yung ungutan. Ang dami ng rebounds.
T-Mac, Ongotan.
Saka yung mga tapik-tapik niya. Kahit hindi niya makuha yung bola. 50-50 ball.
40 seconds on the shot clock.
Kabat to his brother. Face up 3.
Ayun na naman.
Ongotan.
Big man yan.
Wow, what a board.
Kailangan box outin mo talaga.
Yeah. So ito si Hernal. Hernal.
Ring Hernal, pagkahawak yung bola, nakatingin sa ring, gustong hayutin lahat eh.
Valencia. Short. Battle for the loose ball. It rolls to Ongotan. First foul on San Sebastian.
Holding foul on number 24, Leo Velasco.
Ito, Valencia misfires. But again, a lot of Arellano players crashing the glass, Coach Hammer.
Scrappy team.
For the Golden Stacks.
Since last year, ganyan naman sila.
Yeah.
Since Coach Chico came in,
14 seconds on the shot clock.
he really likes high work rate.
Kapulong. Wala.
Papunta sa kanan, yung pilit na nalunod. Pero pag papunta sa kaliwa, bubuhatin ka dyan.
Escobedo. Here come the Chiefs. Borromeo has it. T-Mac. He leads the way for Arellano with 14 points. Basti Valencia, their captain, has the basketball. Ongotan for 3. Are with the board. Here's Paeng. Paeng nagmamadali. Paeng! No go. Richo gets denied. Forward pass. Arellano has the numbers. Borromeo is away and gone. Now let's go courtside and hear it from Christine San Agustin. Christine, go ahead.
Martin and Coach Hammer, Coach Chico posed a challenge to the Arellano Chiefs earlier when he mentioned that this game can either make or break their team. Ang sabi niya pa, a win today can potentially change the course of their journey, but another loss will just put their character to an even more difficult situation. So the power to determine their future is entirely in their hands. Para naman sa Stags, Coach Arvin is still nothing but positive during their huddle as he said that he commends the team's maturity. Kaya naman oras na lang ang dapat nilang intindihin sa fourth quarter. Dagdagan daw ang disiplina sa depensa, respeto sa laro at huwag nang hahayaan pang masira ang kanilang rotasyon. Still more time left, so let's see who among the teams will finally recover today. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Christine. Well, Arellano is looking good here. Commanding lead in the fourth quarter. But if they've carried the lessons from the previous games, Coach, they know that they need to keep playing.
Oh.
Especially against San Sebastian.
Lalo na pagka may malaki ka ng lamang. Hindi against anyone. Daganan mo ng daganan. Yun yung term eh. Daganan mo ng daganan. Pagka bumaba yung laro, lalo mo pang tiinan.
Yeah.
Kasi ayaw mo you don't want to leave any doubt with your players, lalo na pagka end game. Tapos hinahanap niyo pa yung hierarchy ng team niyo kung, okay, this guy takes the last shot, this guy is the guy who would be creating, this guy would be attacking off the two-man game. Daganan mo na. Huwag mo nang papormahin.
Yung ginagawa.
That's just me.
Yeah.
From a coaching perspective, from a fans perspective.
Hindi, ganun talaga dapat. Para hindi mo
Non-stop,
na...
kahit 20 na yan. Natutunan ko yun dun sa isa kong coach. Kahit 20 na yung lamang, pwede pa natin gawin 30 yan. 30 yung lamang, pwede pang gawin 40.
Yeah.
You impose your will na mararamdaman nila hanggang sa susunod nilang laro. Na ganun yung feeling.
And it carries over.
Yeah,
diba?
exactly.
In the next games.
You strike fear
Yeah.
in your opponents. When they see you, when you get into the court, na parang mapapagano ka sa kalaban.
It's part of the competition as well. Ooh.
So that's a technical foul on the faking a foul kanina. I think that's on
Technical
Rex
foul
Gabat.
on number 17, Reg Gabat, for second infraction
yung
of
faking a
making a
foul.
foul.
Okay. Regs will
Ralph
be
Gabat coming in for the
teed
Golden
up.
Sets. Shooting the
So,
technical free
one
throw
take for T-Mac
is
Ongotan.
Shenan Ongotan.
This guy is on a different level today. 16 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. And he has been excellent from the free throw line. 9 out of 10. And Arellano, hold on. Is this the breakthrough win that they've been waiting for? They are 7 minutes and 45 seconds away from that. But they gotta be careful against this feisty San Sebastian
Kaya mo
team.
gagawin ng Hetel. Pag ka naman yung nakuha talaga, turnover.
Ito na. Risho gets away.
Rashad Risho.
So ito na, kumukuha na ng buwelo. Itong San Sebastian. Kailangan hindi ka magle-let up dito kasi alam mo, babalik at babalik eh. Ang San Sebastian, hindi na talo, nauubusan lang ng oras eh.
Yeah. This is the familiar San Sebastian fourth quarter pressure. Basti Valencia ipinilit. Hernal stepped outside. So that's a stop for Baste.
So mo ba yun? Hindi sila natatalo, nauubusan lang sila ng
There it
oras.
is, Geronimo.
Kasi kung pag naglaro to parang Pinoy
Coming
team
in
talaga eh.
for AG Borromeo.
Dulo, no?
Oo, hanggang dulo. Tsaka pagka sa kwentuhan, hindi aabuti namin eh. Naubusan lang ng oras. Ganon sila eh, ganon yung pakiramdam mo. Tsaka importante yung bawat laro. Lalo na sa mama na to ha, kay Ari.
Wow, Paeng gets fouled. And he will shoot 3 free throws.
Pushing foul.
Ari has
number
7
14,
points today.
Mabinoya is
Obviously,
second.
it's been a struggle
One on
from the
Jeeps.
field. 2 out of
3 free throws
6.
for Paeng Ari.
But he might have something for us here, Coach, dito sa ating endgame.
Yun lang. Wala nga, 7 minutes, 15 points. Hindi pa tapos.
3 out of 5 now from the free throw line. Itong si Paeng Ari ngayong araw na to. Usually is a very good free throw shooter. At 84%, he misses the
Gulo
first
mo.
2.
Yun lang.
Whoa. One more. 1 out of 3. Basti ang nagbaba. Basti ang nagtawid.
Oh, a foul on Escobedo.
Lacking foul, number
Ano ko
11.
kasi pag
Ray
dumipensa
Marquez
parang
Rubio.
octopus eh.
That's his fourth.
Yung
Three
kamay,
on the
tingnan mo
Golden
paano dumipensa itong San Sebastian. Active hands talaga. Definitely ito, tinuturo to ni Coach Arvin eh. Pero yung pag-impede sa motion yung tinatawagan. Pero nakita mo active hands, hindi ko pwedeng hindi tight dribble. Ayun o, lagi may sumusundot, laging active.
Ongotan. Ongotan scores!
John Ongotan.
Good downhill drive by T-Mac Ongotan.
19 points for this young man. Gabat. Are, nakatake. Are, off the window. Finally for Paeng.
Galing finish.
6 and 20 remaining in the fourth quarter. Haba pa to. J. Loose ball. Are hustling for it.
Pag naglalaro si Ari, pakiramdam mo.
San Sebastian,
Parang
Golden
ito yung huli
Sets.
kong reps. Yun yung gustong-gusto ko pagka pinanonood tong mga players natin sa NC. Ay, babalikan ko JRU. Pag naglaro yung JRU, parang yun yung huli naming laro.
Buwis buhay, ano?
Buwis buhay talaga. Ito si Ari pag naglaro. Yung Arellano ngayon, yung umuutan, yung mararamdaman mo na importante sa kanila yung laro.
San Sebastian staring at a 14-point deficit. Pagsak si Binoya, mintis lang yung tira ni Gabat. Here's Basti Valencia. This is the right thing to do if you're Arellano. Get the clock, play deliberate offense. Geronimo. RJ, what a feed. Minoya couldn't finish. Here's Escobedo. Escobedo, dangerous pass.
Tatlong possession yun.
Number
Dalawang free
11,
throw na
Raymar
namin
Escobedo.
Tapos, dalawang
Raymar
foul kay Escobedo
five
na
foul.
hindi kailangan.
So, coach, for the second straight game,
Amir
Escobedo
Aguilar
fouls out.
coming in for Raymar
Habits.
Escobedo.
Hindi mo pwedeng bawiin agad, hindi mo pwedeng habulin agad yung 15 puntos na lamang.
Yeah.
Wala maging pasensyoso ka, Mintes. Kuha ka ng high percentage na possession. Yun yung matututunan ng mga players as they progress. Kailangan maging percentage player eh. Be smarter. Be smarter, operate better. Okay yung mataas yung work rate mo, pero alam mo kung kailan titiinan. Kasi pag matalino ka na, mas ngat-ngat ka pa maglaro, mas maganda yung kahihinat na ng kupunan ninyo.
Pangatlong player na nag-foul out para kay Coach Arvin Bonleon. Valencia comes up short. So, ang wala na sa lineup, nag-foul out na Ian Suico, Tristan Felebrico, and Raymar Escobedo.
Eh yun nga, yun talaga, Mart. Kasi I think they're one of the top 3 teams when it comes to fouling their opponents. So, if you're a team against
Timeout San Sebastian.
teams that like to foul, you
Golden
gotta attack them because that's their habit.
Halfway through the fourth quarter, 14, abante dito ng Arellano.
Court pressure, which kilalang kilala talaga tong team na to dyan sa ganyang depensa.
Brian Sahonia, his first shot as a Sunbetter Red Lion in the NCAA. The best shooting three-point team in the NCAA. Sahonia, baseline drive. Sahonia, short. Sahonia! Wow!
The 21-year-old mula sa Bulan Sorsogon, Tima Ongotan, showing off his wares in today's game. 19 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists.
Medyo travel pa yung galaw na yun, pero di tinawagan. It's a good play.
But he has been the difference maker for Arellano today. Consistent in all of the quarters. And it's activities like this.
Tsaka buo yung loob pagka umaatake, pag kumukuha ng rebound, pag-dive. 19-4 and 4, 62.5% from the field. Big time.
Big time. And what a follow-up from that double-double performance in the previous game where he had 13 points and 11 boards. 5 minutes to go. We'll see though if Arellano can hang on.
Ano to na? Time score management na lang yan. You want to get the clock as low as possible before you take a shot in there. Very basic eh. Paano mo papahabulin yung kalaban? Bad shots, bad fouls, turnovers. Tatlong bagay lang yung na kailangan mong i-check. It boils down to bad execution eh. Pagka ganyan, empty. And they had 4 lessons to review before going back to this game. Na ganun na naman yung tema. They're up by a lot. 5 minutes remaining.
Are face-off jumper. It's been that kind of day for Paeng Are.
Downhill.
Pinyaro fade from the field. Tima Ongotan. Ilalabas kay RJ Geronimo.
Zipper sleep.
Valencia di discarte. Balik sa kanilang main man. Shot clock is at 3. They need to take it. Hernan forcing the issue. Wala. Aguilar gets it. Ito na si Nico Aguilar. Aguilar! Kaboom! Nico Aguilar with 14 points and the lead is down to 11.
Just 11-point lead ha. Haba pa nito. 4 minutes pa yan. Oh! Again, inadvertent fouls. You're on penalty. You don't need to steal everything. You just need to put pressure. Nakashoot ka pa rin ng big shot dito. Talking about San Sebastian. But again, it's their nature. They're an aggressive team that they would like to put pressure every time. Even if they are out of position, so yun yung mangyayari. Kasi mabilis din umatake itong Arellano. Pagka tinamaan mo, malamang, nasa likuran na tatama. Pero, pwede mag-split yung
Sa
charities,
una,
pwede
oo.
mag-mintis ng dalawa.
That's the risk they're taking here, Coach Hammer. Pangalawang sunod na quarter natin na maaga nag-penalty itong San
Oh,
Sebastian.
no risk it, no biscuit. Patay ka dyan pagka hindi ka gumagambol eh. Pero kailangan, high percentage pa rin eh. Smart bets, kumbaga. Susugal ka lang pagka alam mo maganda yung porsyento mo.
So 1 out of 2 for Team Akongotan who reaches 20 points. I think this is a career high. Hold on. He's had great games last season for Arellano as well. But we'll check.
Tingin kasi maglaro eh.
Yeah.
Tingin maglaro.
Ito na. Extra aggressive. Polo Gabat.
Alam mo, ang hirap kasi yung sinasabi ng mga coaches sa sideline ng Arellano. Pag binabangga ka kasi, tapos nakataas yung kamay mo, talagang tatanggapin mo ng katawan lahat ng bangga.
Yeah.
So ang tendency, bababa yung kamay. Pag nakita ng offensive player na bumaba yung kamay, ididiin nila lalo. So napipili na tumawag yung referee. Kaya kailangan mag-weights ka talaga pag season.
Yeah.
Dahil grabe, larong mama sa NC.
Ito si Polo Gabat. Making the free throw. So, teka. Kokorek po natin yung score. Right now, it's 70 to 80. Oh, scramble for the ball. San Sebastian gets the steal. Aguilar falls down. Are has it. A lot of time here for Baste. He's staring at a 10-point lead. Paeng for three. Oh, that was halfway down.
Huwag lang.
Would have been big for San Sebastian. Instead, it's Arellano.
Haba pa to, 3 minuto pa.
Valencia. Are collects. Ito na si Paeng. Gabat. Pinag-iisipan. He will back down.
Uy, charging.
Offensive foul on Polo Gabat.
Naabangan na eh, yung pangalawang bangga. Kasi yung unang bangga, ibibigay sa kanya. Ito, tingnan mo ha. Yung pag-extend ng forearm on the second contact, ayun o, obvious. Obvious. And nakita mo si Kamay eh, binigay niya yung katawan niya on the first contact, so mabigat. Second contact, that was a good call. That was a good call.
In for Jericho Kamay.
Wow. Missed chance.
Pwede swing eh, libre yung kabila.
Yeah.
But that's a technical foul.
Technical foul on number 7, Ralph Gabat, for use of profane language.
So,
That's his fourth.
challenging sequence here for San
Shooting
Sebastian and
the technical
Polo
free throw
Gabat.
is Gerald
Natawagan ng
Okotan.
offensive foul. Natawagan ng technical foul. At pang-apat na niya yun.
Emosyon talaga, pero kitang-kita eh. Kasi if you're a smart player on the first contact and mas magaan yung bantay mo, you're reading na, binigatan ako, sigurado, tatanggap, babagsak. So yung unang sultada, wala na, swing mo na, libre yung Aguilar sa kabila eh. So nakita mo, yung extension pa ng forearm,
Yeah.
yun yung natawagan, hindi yung bangga ng hip. Kasi pag bangga ng hip, pwede pang tawagan ng flopping eh, pero yung forearm na bumaba,
Sa'yo na yun.
Oo, yun eh. Yung officiating, yun yung tinitignan nila eh. May nag-extend ba sa cylinder mo? Kasi lagi yung bewang mo, kadikit ng cylinder mo eh. Hindi yan nag-extend eh.
Yeah. Okay. So, missed opportunity for San Sebastian. And Arellano now has a chance to add on to this lead. Valencia against Richo. Valencia, drop off, Timak, wala. Bola na kay Paengare. San Sebastian needs to go quickly. They don't have a lot of time to operate. Aguilar though, forced it underneath.
Yep, 1-on-3.
RJ Geronimo. Siya ngayon ang may tanga ng bola. RJ. Crossover. RJ scoops and hoops. Geronimo extends the lead to 13 for the
Timeout, San
Chiefs.
Sebastian Golden State.
No longer needed. No longer needed.
Paghiwalay naman kaagad. Okay, let's go first to this timeout.
Forward pressure, which kilalang kilala talaga tong team na to dyan sa ganyang depensa.
Brian Sahonia, his first shot as a Sunbetter Red Lion in the NCAA. The best shooting three-point team in the NCAA. Sahonia, baseline drive. Sahonia, short. Sahonia! Wow!
Parang napot...
Before we went to the timeout, it was the former San Sebastian High School star, RJ Geronimo, extending the lead.
Sinasabi
To 13.
sinasabi ni Erjing, may pabaon pa. Eh, hindi naman natin nakita kung meron. Maganda makita kung meron sa replay.
Yeah.
Kasi officials natin definitely merong replay. So,
Tingnan natin. Ito, coach.
Ayan.
Here's the
Tingnan
side
natin yung
step.
ano.
Ooh.
So sabi ni RJ, Nico, ano yun? Di ba? Kasi magkakilala to eh. Di ba? Nanggaling sa high school, malamang nag-ensayo yung mga yan.
Yeah.
Eh sinasabi niya, wala na. Wala na, tapos na eh. Ayan, buti may naawat naman yung mga teammates nila.
Kasi may paramdam eh.
So retroactively, nakita pa instead of just letting it go. Tingnan natin kung ano tawag dito ng ating officials.
Again, coach. In that
Warning
situation.
is given on number 3, Ernest Geronimo, and on number 52, Amir Aguilar. Vote for Tonde.
So technical? Technical ba o warning? Anong tawag?
Warning.
Technical ba? Warning for both sides. Buti, di natawagan yung pabaon, pero play continues.
All right, 83-70. 2 minutes and 11 seconds left. This is definitely our longest regulation game.
Parang bar exam, tapos na pala yung bar exam, dami natin review. Di ba? Sinara kasi isang minute, tatlong linggo eh. Nandun yung bar exam eh.
Oh, ito, crucial possession for San Sebastian.
Kailangan lang ng high percentage shot dito.
Last 2
Kabat attacks, and Kabat will take 2. Final 2 minutes. Deep
Pushing down,
into this
number
one.
42, Joseph Bernal is first. 2 free throws for
Crucial
Ralph
free
Gabat.
throws para dito kay Ralph Gabat. He connects on the first. $71-83. Again, for San Sebastian, this is still a lot of time. And here's the pressure. RJ on the catch. T-Mac across. Naitawid nila. Hernal will take off. Hernal puts it up and in.
Sabi ko sa'yo, isa lang yung gear na ito ni Hernal eh. Look to the ring lang, aatake to every time. Basta mahawakan niya, downhill. Di na to nagbabasa. Basta merong driving lane, atakihin niya talaga yan. Ito, good press break. Para dito sa Arellano, downhill.
Pinabuelo itong si Cyril Hernal.
Nilagay.
2 free throws for Paeng Are.
Yeah. Cyril Hernal has been flying under the radar today. 11 points and 7 rebounds for this guy. Paeng Are connecting on the first. So Paeng will now reach 11 points. Way below his average though of 20 points per game. 1 out of 2 for Paeng. Oh, he gets into the mix. Gets it back. Are gets denied. Okay, silipin natin kung kanino last touch.
Review.
Mainit na yung mga players natin.
Yep. End game, 1 minute and 39.
It's another review, Coach Hammer. Ito, Are. Ganda ng depensa ni Hernal. Vinoya gets it. Here's the entanglement. Oh yeah, it's on Vinoya. Yeah. So, in that sequence, justified ang reaction ng San Sebastian.
Medyo nakalabit pa sa panga. So ball remains with the Golden Stags.
Upon review, ball
And that's why we
possession
review.
for the San Sebastian Golden Stags. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Okay. Minute and 39. Trigger man is Rex Gabat. Baste needs to score. Good defense by Valencia. Nakawala si Ralph. Wala. Valencia has it. Valencia is crowded. Loose ball. It goes to Arellano. But coach, walang flow sa opensa doon ng San Sebastian. It just went to
18 seconds
Ralph.
on the shot clock.
And he took it straight to the cup. Medinoya. Fouled. It's on Paeng Are, who will commit his third
Second foul,
foul.
number 7, Ralph Gabat.
Hindi,
penalty.
si Ralph.
Pangapat.
Ralph Gabat, 5 foul.
That's the 5th foul on Ralph Gabat. So, 4th player to foul out from San Sebastian today. Suico, Felebrico, Escobedo, and Gabat.
Naglalaro ka ba ng Street Fighter dati?
Oh,
Yung depensa nila parang si E-Honda
E-Honda.
eh. Daming palo, 100 slaps eh. Kaya nagugulat ako pag nagugulat sila na foul sila eh. Pero again, it's a teaching point for them. Yung active hands, that was very profitable para sa kanila during their first 2 games. Na they are able to gamble, they're able to put pressure, but what's the next layer? The past 3 games, they were scouted and naging detrimental naman para sa kanilang atake. So what are the next adjustments para dito kay Coach Arvin Bodleon? Kasi ngayon tinatawagan na ng fouls, yung mga sundot na crossbody. Noong una hindi tinatawagan, pero kasi sa FIBA tatawagan talaga yan. Pag crossbody, ni-impede mo yung movement. So what's the next progression? What's the next evolution of their defense?
dahil yung mga opisyalis natin, nagre-review din yan.
Oo naman. Tsaka mas mahirap yung review niyan kasi trabaho nila eh.
That's right.
Oo. Bibigyan sila ng feedback nila, Commissioner.
Are throws it away. And Timac Mangotan. Will dribble this one out. They're looking to melt as much clock as they can. Basti! Wala! Ow! Follow-up dunk! Lumabas!
Pasa, hindi follow-up, pasa. Labas.
Labas. And San Sebastian turns it over.
It was a lob eh.
Oo nga, no?
It's a lob.
Meron palang ganun yung Hernan. Yung sinabi.
Wing nga eh. Wing talaga siya eh.
Mangotan gets trapped. We're just waiting for the final score here. Arellano. 30 seconds away. their first win. Hernal. Valencia gets it.
No more shots here.
And this is the magic moment for the Arellano Chiefs. Naagaw pa ni Aguilar. And finally, it is win number 1 for Arellano.
End of the ball game, our final score.
They get and earn their breakthrough win of season 100 at the expense of the San Sebastian Golden Stags. The final score, 87-73.
Big win. Effort win para dito sa Arellano Chiefs. Walang isa lang na bumida. Lahat trumabaho. Tsaka they earned every single bit of this win.
After 4 close losses, Arellano finally secure one. And they win this one convincingly, Coach. 87-73. Fantastic job in preventing any San Sebastian run throughout the game. For San Sebastian, this is going to be their 3rd straight defeat in season 100.